question number 5. See here. This is cube root of 0.001. Okay. Now what to do? First of all, cube root is there. Make it power 1 upon 3. 0.001. Remove this point. This will be 1000. So what I can write here 1 upon 10 power 3. Then 1 upon 3. So what will be here? 10 power 3, then 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cut, answer is 0.1. Okay, like in this way, when you apply the proper laws of exponent, see here. Next question, this is fourth root. Fourth root is power 1 upon 4. This is power is negative. Power is negative means we have done the thing a power minus 1 is 1 upon a. So 256 power minus 1 minus 2. What will be 1 upon 256 power 2. I am converting this is in positive power. So after converting this positive power, so what to do, see here. This is 256. 256 means what? 2 2s are 4. I can write 16 power 2 and 1 upon 2 is already given to you here. 1 upon 2. 2 to 2 cut. Answer is 16. Okay. Here we have given minus 1 upon 64 power minus 2 upon 3. First of all, take its reciprocal, convert in power positive. Important thing, first of all, convert power in positive. Okay. Then you can get easily. Convert power positive. Power converting, after converting it, what is minus 64 power 2 upon 3. According to denominator 64, 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64. Okay, so 4 cube I am writing minus already as it is. Then 3 to 3 cut, this is minus 4 square. This is 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Come on, fourth part, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube whole power 1 upon 2. 1 cube we know 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, power 1 upon 2. If we add these all, then you will get, this is 64 plus 27 is 91, 99, 100. 100 power 1 upon 2. This is square root of 100 is what? 10. 10 is the answer. Okay. Now looking like this here, base is positive and power is given in decimals. So don't worry about it. Keep in the mind only the law of exponents. See, base is this. Take base as it is, and when base is same, multiply sign is given, then powers will be added. Powers will be, if I add the powers, then you see 256 power 0.16 plus this 0.25. Okay, this is 256 means 4 power 4. Okay, and I am removing this here. 25 4s are. So power is 1 upon 4. 4 to 4 cut, 4 power 1. This is 4. Okay, now the last one. See here, this is easy. So what to do? First of all, this is 2 power 1 upon 3, 2 power 1 upon 4. This is 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 upon 12, isn't it? Now I think there is no problem in it. When now see here, base is same. Base is same, then powers will be added. I am adding the powers. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 12. What is the LCM? LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 is here. 4 3s are 12. 12 upon 12 is 1 plus 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 and 4 12. This is 2 power 12 upon 12. This is 1. Answer is 2. Like in this way we can get easily. Now after that we come on the next question. under root x into y power minus 1 into under root y into z power minus 1 into under root z into x power minus 1. So what we can write, see, taking under root common, I can write power 1 by 2. See here, x into y power minus 1, so I can write 1 upon y, x upon y. Here I can write y upon z. This is z upon x. Okay, now see, cut x to x, y to y, z to z. Okay, 1 power 1 by 2, this is equal to 1. Okay, now come on the next question. X power a upon x power b, a plus b, x power b upon x power c, b plus c, x power c upon x power a, c plus a. So what to do? See, base is same, division sign is given, then powers will be subtracted. This is x power a minus b, here a plus b, then it will go up b minus c, b plus c, this will go up c minus a, c plus a. Okay, now see, this is identity. X power a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, then b square minus c square, then here c plus a, c minus a, c square minus a square. Now see here, base is same again. If base is same, then powers will be added. This is the first law of exponent. I am adding the powers. Now see, a square to a square cut, b square to b square, c square to c square. X is power 0, that is equal to 1. Come on, see here in question number 9, a upon b power x minus 1, but here is given b upon a. So what to do? You take its reciprocal. By taking reciprocal, this will convert in minus and this will convert in plus. This will convert minus, then this will convert minus, then minus x plus 3. Then base is same here, then powers will be equal. X minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 3. X minus x plus 6, see, x plus x, 3 plus 1, 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 upon 2 is 2. Okay, we'll keep in the mind, when base is same, equal sign is given, then powers will be equal. I can explain like this also. A power m is equal to a power n. What is the meaning? Then powers will be equal. Okay, keep in the mind for this. One more question I am taking on it. See here, 3 power 4x minus 2. Here is given 729. 729 means 3 power 6. The same thing again. A power m equal to a power n. What is the meaning? M is equal to n. Okay. Then what is 4x is equal to 6 plus 2? What is the meaning? 4x is equal to 8. 8 upon 4, that is equal to 2. This is your answer. Okay.